Hi, this is Teddy. The question I got asked is this: if I log out of my Google account from all of my devices and I don't use it for some time, will Google eventually delete my data and my account? And I'm going to show you the answer to this question in this video, but hit that subscribe button because I create this content specifically for you. If you log out of Google and all your devices, what that means is you make sure you're not logged into your Google account or your Gmail account or your Photos account or your Drive or any of that on your smartphone, your tablet, your iPhone, your desktop, your laptop. You just got to get rid of all those accounts on all of the devices and then let it sit dormant. Now here's the official answer from Google. If you do not use your devices, if you've been inactive on Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos, etc., for a period of 2 years, all of your content could be removed. Now, it doesn't actually use the phrase delete the account in this answer, but it does say that all of your content may be removed. Now, they're going to give you a warning. You're going to get an email at least 3 months before saying that you're about ready to be deleted. You're going to be given an opportunity to get back in and be active in Gmail or Google Drive or Google Photos, etc. And you're going to get the opportunity to download your content if you feel the desire to do that. But the bottom line is, if your account is inactive for 2 years, the content may be removed. Again, I do not see the statement that says that they will delete the account. But I believe by removing all the content, that may be the same as deleting your account. So don't let your account sit dormant for any period of time if you really want that account and you really want that data. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.